Okay, this next tutorial is for our station playlist users. This will show you how to set up the file synchronization client that connects your station playlist automation computer with the wbNJ.voitrai.cloud system. Think of this as a file synchronization tool that will be synchronizing playlist files sending up to the cloud and voice track files coming back from the cloud. Whether you are using MP3 or WAV format for your voice tracking, both are supported by the wbNJ.cloud system. So once installed on your automation computer, in the client, you would click Edit Configuration. Now you will fill in your station name. Now the station name field must match exactly to the station name that you provided at the time your wbNJ server was created. So for instance, if your URL to access your wbNJ cloud is wbNJ.voitrai.cloud, this needs to say wbNJ as the station name exactly as it is originally set up. Next, you would put the file path to where the playlist files are located. Now, these are your M3U playlist files that have been exported by Station Playlist Creator. If you are using another program, like for instance Music Master or other music scheduling software with Station Playlist, that will be addressed in a different tutorial. So for this setup, we are working with Station Playlist Creator. So we need the path to where your files are located, your M3U playlist files. In this case, they're on a drive called y:/playlists. Next, we need to tell wbNJ, where do I put the voice track files so that they will be referenced properly by the log and the automation system. So in this case, it is a standard setup for Station Playlist to be program files /station playlist /voice tracks. Next, there is an automatic upload and download feature built into the client. As I said, it is a file synchronization client. So we can specify at what minute in each hour do we want the wbNJ client to upload any new playlists to the cloud server. And then after tracks are created, what time do we want the client to attempt to download those voice tracks into the voice tracks folder? So think of it, this folder goes out, this folder comes in. This is your out time, this is your in time. Next, you can set up an admin email here that will email you if it does not see voice tracks created for the next hour. This is an early warning system that perhaps there was an internet connection loss, perhaps there was something misconfigured on your cloud, or perhaps you did not set up a prompt for a specific voice track. What this will do is it identifies if there are tracks missing for the next hour, and it will email the administrator. Next, as I mentioned before in a previous tutorial, you need to have an API key that connects your wbNJ cloud to your wbNJ SPL or Station Playlist client for the file synchronization. So as long as both of those keys match, then you would save the configuration, and configuration has saved successfully. At this point, the wbNJ Station Playlist client is ready to go. It is already ready to go and fire off at 20 past the hour, so you can just let it go, or if you want to give it a nudge, you can click Upload Playlists or download tracks manually if need be, or click Check Status and see if voice tracks exist for the next hour. So those are all the configuration settings necessary for the client. Keep in mind, the client must always be open on the machine so that it will automatically upload and download voice tracks. But wbNJ.Cloud cannot generate tracks unless playlists have been uploaded to the system. Your system sends our system the playlists, and then we send the voice tracks files back down to you using this client. And that's the basic setup for the wbNJ station playlist client.